Hi guys, Kyle Denmark with Denmark Lawn. I'm here with our fertilization weed control technician Max, and we are doing some pre-emergence today. We just wanted to highlight the chemical that we use for pre-emergence. This product is called Specticle. We like to use Specticle for three reasons. One, it's the best product on the market. This jug is $1,200 for the jug. Some of our competitors are going to use things that are a little bit cheaper than the products that we put down, but we try to use what's best for your property and gives us the results that we want for your property. The second reason that we love Specticle is because of the low use rate. So we only have to use about 14 ounces of this product to mix in this 200-gallon tank back here in order for us to get the desired effect that we want on your property. So we don't have to put down that much chemical on your property. The third reason we love this product is because it has such a low toxicity rate. Most chemicals that chemical applicators are going to use on your property are going to have a warning label or a danger label or a caution label. The tox report on this chemical is so clean that it doesn't have any warning label. So we just try to use the safest products that we can. Now's the time to get your pre-emergence down. If you have any questions about these products or how we apply the product or how effective they are, feel free to give us a shout at denmarklawn.com. Thanks.